In this video, I'll show you how to create notes on your laptop. First, click on the Start menu and search for Notepad. Now open Notepad on your laptop. Once it opens, simply start typing your notes. You can write anything such as reminders, class notes, to-do lists, or important information. If you want to create organized notes, press Enter to move to a new line and separate different points. After writing your notes, click on File in the top left corner. Then select Save As. Choose the folder where you want to save the file. Now enter a name for your notes file and click Save. Your notes are now saved on your laptop. You can open them anytime by double-clicking the saved file. You can also use apps like Microsoft OneNote or Sticky Notes if you want more advanced note-taking features. That's it. This is how you can create notes on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.